Hi everyone, it's me, Miles at Teach Me Music Academy, and today we're going to be learning about basic rhythm. So, what is rhythm and how do we define it? Just briefly before we get into it. Some of you may have heard of beat and rhythm, right? Maybe some of you don't know the difference. So the beat is what's happening behind the rhythm. Sometimes you can hear the beat, sometimes it's not there and you just have to, use your own internal clock to keep the beat going yourself. So the beat is always steady, right? Like that. So that's a steady beat. That's not steady. That's a rhythm. So the rhythm is the thing that weaves in and out of the beat. The rhythm doesn't have to be like this. The rhythm can be anything. Yeah, whatever. So for today's lesson, we're going to be using a metronome to keep the beat for us. If you want to check out the metronome video, that will give you some more insight into how to use a metronome. Right, that's rhythm and beat, okay? So, what types of rhythms are there then? So we've got whole notes, half notes, quarter notes, 8 notes, and even 16th notes if you're playing really fast. So, basically, what we're doing here is we are playing different lengths of notes against the beat. So, we're going to divide the beat into groups of 4 for this one. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, then again 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So a whole beat, you would hold that note for all of those 4 beats. So it would be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So it lasts 4 beats. And this is how it sounds against a metronome. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm keeping that note down for those 4 beats. Okay, and then you've also got half notes. Half notes are when you divide the beats into 2. So, what's 4 divided by 2? 2, right? So, we're going to be splitting it up like that. So, we're going to be playing on beats 1 and beats 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So that's half notes. And then we've also got quarter notes. Now quarter notes are 4 notes being played over 4 beats. So you basically just play on every beat for this one, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's nice and easy because it's on the beat. Okay, and then we've got 8th notes. So now we're starting to play faster than the beat itself. So we've got to play two notes on the piano for every 1 beat of the metronome. So now we're playing in between the beats too. So it sounds like this. So it's like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's do that. Choose any note on the piano. It doesn't really matter. Okay, going one step beyond that, we've also got 16th notes. This is probably going to be quite fast, so don't worry if you can't play this. I'm just going to demonstrate it for you, just so you understand what that is. So 16th notes now, we're going to be playing 16 notes in the time of 4 beats, right? So that means we're going to be playing 4 notes for every 1 beat. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and like that. Okay. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and right. So let's just go over those quickly. So we've got whole notes, half notes, quarter notes, eighth notes, 16th notes. And that's basically it. That's our basic rhythms. So practice that, and when you're playing your pieces of music, maybe try and figure out, oh, is this quarter notes there? Is it whole note? You use whatever pieces you're playing to have a think about what the rhythms are. Great. So I hope that helped. I hope you learned a lot in this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.